What a wonderful morning. Sun is shining and birds are singing, and I just feel so good about life. And you know, I really feel like I'm waking up today with a what? Who the fuck is that? Where do you think you're going, fucker? Huh. You better not be coming this way. You better not be coming this way, you motherfucker. You. Oh, what are you doing? What's she doing? Oi! Oi! Bitch! Is this dog shit? You did not just do that to me. God damn it, you dirty little bitch. You're a dirty little fucking wanking bitch, mate. What the hell is this, huh? Beer bottles. Oh, fantastic. Can't even hold down proper liquor, right, you fucking 12-year-old wankers. Ugh! These fucking flies crawling up my arsehole, trying to eat whatever remains from some drunken picnic. Fuck this shit, mate. Fuck off, flies, I swear to God. Piss off. Piss off. What is that? What is that sound? Can't I have 1 minute of fucking peace around here? What's going on? Hey!